Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, Ginger Buddy Adventures. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, Ginger Buddy. Back. Oh, I just realised I 4 more days. Can't wait. No. I said no. Sorry guys about that. Let's go. I bet it's gonna be like 5,000. You know what I mean? I just realized I increased the time. I'm kinda sad that Harry Potter left. Oh, the cat food isn't there. I'll just have to make a field of it. Won't we guys? A field of cat food. Guys, we're gonna try the moon one more time. I don't think we can beat this, guys. Yeah, we're not. I just realised that Cecile's faster. I think like the enemies attack faster now. I remember. I haven't beat this for days. I'm figuring out how to do it. Okay. I tried this for days. I can't even get a bun. Okay, all we need to do now is get rid of Cecile. I just don't have the cat. Bro, I only need one more cat. But we need all superior treasures, I think. So that's what I think. No. Please. Cat cannon, please. You bought out. Angry cat. Seriously, I think Cecile's gone into... When did I get 75 cat food? I'm weird. Yeah. There's not even like a snake. Dog. So we're gonna go. Yeah, don't worry, guys. We've gone up to Greece. Spain. What will we do with you, Spain? What won't do anything with you, Spain? Of course we're not going to spawn this guy in. There's only one, bruh. Yeah, let's go inside the store visual. I'm sure that this is faster, because this is not cat speed, right, that might be it. Okay. Oh, crowbar! Cecile, I think I can kill you with that. Wait. Cecile, I think I can kill you. Oh yeah. A guy who hates computers. I hate a computer. A guy who loves computers. Da 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 da. Hold on. A guy who loves computers. Oh, hates computers. I hate computers. A guy who loves computers. Da 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 da. Wow, just like we've begun. Oh, what's the super register? Whatever it said, super register. Ah, super register. That does not sound good. Pikachu? So we need now all we need is New York, Bermuda, Jamaica, Cambodia, and Brazil. We'll be going to Brazil. New York, we mean. I said New York. Duh. Great Liberty. I think that's the Statue of Liberty or something. I can't tell. I've been playing too much Minecraft recently. Guys, again, I might allow comments, and if I do, help other people that want to comment by not swearing or saying anything mean in the comments. So then you get to comment what game you want to see, because that could be available. Also, comment if you want more Minecraft, because I've built a lot of things. Like, it took me like, let's see, 3 months to build up to where I am today. It might take me 1,000 parts to show you, but as long as it makes you happy, I will be happy. Of course, now and we just beat this. Toy. So please don't swear or be mean to me in the comments. If you want to comment more. Okay. I'll read these comments like 3 hours, then I wait a day, then I look at the comments. Another 3 hours, then you get the point, don't you guys? Just don't swear, please. Because I want this to be a clean channel. But I might not approve it. It might be like another day that we do it. I was about to say, comment down below if you want me to turn on comments. Kids, what have we learned from that mistake? Samsung Dex, please. Alright. Francis George is a little stupid pig. Right, Bermuda. The first time we ever see a kangaroo. Or kangaroo. Sorry. Sorry, every kangaroo that are watching. Sorry, not sorry. Beans. Beans! Did you fart? You ate too many beans. If you fart in class, you just say, I ate some beans. Beans. Woo! Oh, sorry, I should have given you a headphone warning. No. Don't worry, he'll die anyway. Remember the first time I saw one of these? I was just like, you had too many beans for breakfast. Beans is fruit. Might eat the white poo. Not true. It's not just war anymore. It's no man's land. Wait. I think tomorrow's Remembrance Day. I can't really remember. I think it's like the 11th of the 11th of the 11th. So basically, guys. So this is basically no man's land. We've got that trench and this trench. And then these two soldiers were trying to go out to war. So this soldier on a song to try to go out. But then the soldier found a giant head, so he used it as a costume. I mean, that's just disturbing. See, no man's land. No man's land. Wait. So basically, that's just like gun a guy. This is like pushing and beating them up with his fist. Tank. So Totem Cat, guy with the gun. Face Cat, the guy who uses his fists to knock people out. Titan Cat, tank. Projector Cat, a gun in the middle of no man's land. Two tanks are coming. Wait. The Gang Cat. Not so powerful tanks. Speaking. War in Battle Cats is going well. It's the seaside. The sand will let someday turn dead. And we've beat the base. Oh, no, we haven't. This. Alright, guys, we have beat the base. We haven't beat the base. Okay, it's time to leave it there. It's not time to leave it there. We beat the base. We beat the base. Alright, guys, we're gonna have to leave it there. We're not gonna have to leave it there. Hi guys, welcome to FG's Buddy Adventures.